Hi, my name is Carrie. I am the Cataloging Technical Services Librarian here at the San Jose State University. Thanks for reaching out. I am happy to help. In this video, I will be covering how to search using the OCLC connection tool and the Sierra Integrated Library System. Please let me know if you have any questions and feel free to reach out if I can be of further assistance. I can be contacted by email at carriew@sjsu.net. First, I want to discuss the OCLC connection tool. You can access it either by using the app or logging in to the website. I'm currently using the desktop version at connection.oclc.org. You can scroll down here and put in your authorization and your password information and click Log On. Under the search options drop-down menu here, I click on WorldCat. And this gives you all the options, all the search options that you can use. This catalog has various formats and material types. You can search by just one search term, or you can use various search terms. You can search by ISBN, author name, title, among a whole list of other choices. You can also change the language here. You can change the material type here. It ranges from biography, CD, audio, computer game, DVD, video, fiction, government publication, thesis, dissertation, and so forth. The format, you can narrow it down to books, computer files, continuing resources, maps, serials, sound recordings, and so forth. So I'm going to show how to search for a book by using the ISBN and the title of the book, because this book actually doesn't have an author name. So if you don't have that information already, what I do is I go to Amazon and I pull up the title there. New Developments in Legal Reasoning and Logic from Ancient Law to Modern Legal Systems. If you scroll down to almost the bottom of the page, it will give you more information about the item. Such as the publisher information, the language, how many pages, etc. I pay attention to the ISBN 13 number, so I'm just going to copy and paste that number from Amazon into the OCLC connection tool. And then for title, I'll put the title in. I will change this to title. And then I will click search. And this will bring me to a list of all the records that correspond with my title or whatever information that I put in. So here's the electronic version of it. Here's the physical version of it. So you can click on either one of these numbers here and get access to the information for that record. So in the previous video, I had done a brief overview discussing the MARC records, and this gives you the information about the MARC record here, such as the ISBN number in the 020 field, the call number in the 050 field. Again, there's no author name, so you're not going to have a 100 field over here, so it just starts with 245 and listing the title. Here's the physical information about the book. It's 433 pages. There are some illustrations, and it's 25 centimeters in size. And if you scroll down, it also gives you the summary and so forth, all the information about that record. Just heads up, the desktop version and the app, the interface looks a little bit different. Basically has the same information on it, but the interface looks a little bit different. And you also have more search options if you use the desktop version than if you use the app. So Next, I'm going to show how to search for the same record in the Sierra database. So if you go to the Sierra's homepage, there again you can either use the desktop version or you can use the app. I'm currently using the desktop version. So if you log in, your username will be your initials, your password will be your first and your last name, with your first and last name in caps and all the other letters in lowercase. Click login, and this will take you to the home page here. If you go to the right hand side next to this function box, there's a lot of options here, and this basically like covers all the things that this program can do. Starting by cataloging. I use this program the most for cataloging and acquisitions, but you can use it for other things as well. So if you want to catalog a record, you would use this option, but there's also all these other options: delete items, create list, delete records, statistics, run statistics reports, etc. You scroll down here, there's acquisitions. It can handle acquisitions. This is important if you are trying to pay an invoice. It will show you if an item has been received or not, and if what invoices have been paid. It will give you information about vendors. There again, you can also run statistics reports if you need to. It also has circulation tasks. So if you're checking an item in or out to a patron, you can use this. You can also use this option here to deal with patrons' fines or deal with holds. Also run statistics reports, and last of all, it can you can also work with serials in this program. So if you need to check serials in, or if you need to have vendor information or run statistics reports, among other things, you can use that. To search in this program or this database, you can go over here, and this drop down menu gives you a lot of options to use when you're searching. So you can search by title, author, call number, subject matter, you name it, ISBN, keyword notes, etc. The most common search terms that I use are title, keyword notes, and the record number, which is the bibliographic or the order number. I'm going to try to search this same title that I just searched in the OCLC. So I'm just going to put the title in this box right here. Press the search button, and this will show you the record. It will give you all the information on it. You can click on summary, and it will tell you like if there is an item there. There's the item record right there. It will also give you, if you want to click on the order, it will give you the information about the order, like if you have an order number associated with it, any order information you want to put on it. If you want to put any information about if it needs to go to a certain place when it comes in, if you're checking books in, if you're dealing with holds, this is where you would go to do that. This program is very helpful to use when you're cataloging and dealing with other parts like acquisitions and circulation. It's a very helpful tool to use.